think I'm going to try entering those at 45 again, but trying to actually accelerate through the turn, because I didn't do that too much there. Alright, so get myself to 45. It's close enough. Try tipping it in, and yeah, I didn't do a good job of accelerating, but try that here. I'm just a little nervous on the throttle, not really getting on it much. Try to fix that when we turn around and come back. Alright, one more time. I don't know if this is entertaining for anybody, but I just figured I'd document me as a rider trying to just get a little bit better. Alright. Here we go. Flip her around. Alright, I'm going to try the same thing, just entering at 45 or so, especially on those last two turns. This one not so much, but try getting my acceleration in there. This does make me a little bit nervous, not gonna lie. I'm not used to doing this, getting the bike on its side and really powering through a turn. Alright, there we go. That felt good. Slow it down a little bit. Now get back on it. Alright, those felt a lot better. That's why I'm doing this. I think the practice is worth it. The last one, just doing those slow maneuvers, I definitely need to work on that more. But even just getting used to a, you know, highway riding or normal road riding, getting comfortable with keeping my speed up in the turns is going to be nice. So you'll probably see me doing this again and just trying to push myself a little farther. I'm trying to push myself, but also keep it a little bit conservative. I think if I take a right up here, that road has some decent riding as well. And yeah, like I said in the last video, if you're watching this and you have any tips to try to help me out, please put those down in the comments. That'll help me out and anybody else that's new to this. The MSF course only gives you so much, and it really doesn't do anything for you once you're up at these speeds. So some new cows. Get on it a little bit here. for fun. Here's my turn. Bit of gravel at these intersections always makes me a little nervous as well. Feel that back tire skidding around a little bit. But I guess you just have to trust it. The rubber is going to get back on solid road. Wish we had more country roads like this around nearby. A lot of them you get on, and once you get a mile or two outside of town, you get onto gravel road, and I'm definitely not going to go ride on that. I think the speed limit's like 35, so I've been running well over that. Alright, try to do this right. Yep, that car made me nervous. I guess that's why you gotta pick a better line. It was really hugging the yellow. So, something else for me to learn. And that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for following along and watching me try to get better at riding. If you were entertained by me or my riding inabilities, do me a favor and subscribe and like the video. That'll help it get recognized a little bit more. And, you know, I'm brand new at this YouTube thing as well, so any little bit of support will help me out, and I really appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys.